What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing a new Sleepy Eye kit for the RX7 FC. Before we get started, I just want to give a big shout out to ORIGIN WERKS and FAST ATL Club for providing me this new Sleepy Eye kit. They reached out to me and asked me if I could test out their product and do a full review on it. They were generous enough to send me a pair at no cost. Thank you so much. I'll be sure to include the link to their website on the description below. That way you guys can check out all their different products on their page. Also, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget that notification bell. That way you guys are notified when I upload a new video. With all that said, let's get started. So from what it looks like, this will be the controller for the headlight motor. It says here on the sheet, on the instruction, that you have to set the controller to a certain degree. What this product does is that this is programmed to set your headlight motor to a certain degree when you turn it on, which means everything else here plugs up everything OEM. And I've seen other brands that are like that as well, but I didn't know that I was gonna get something like this. I thought it was just a headlight, to be honest. Because there are times where I just want to ride out there with the headlights down because it gives it more aerodynamic, saves gas sometimes. So I just want to explain what's going on here. When I converted my headlights to Sleepy Eye, all I had to do was unplug the connector from the headlight motor. And so you can turn the headlight motor manually because there's a knob underneath it. And then you can set it to whatever height you want or how much it opens. But that's the drawback about it, is that it will only stay like that until you plug the motor back on. But what this controller does is that it hooks up to your headlight motor. Everything here is wired up as OEM. It'll fit OEM. It's saying here that you can set it to a certain degree or how much it would open up. That way I can actually use my headlight switch here, and as soon as I turn it on, it will actually retract or go up to a certain degree wherever I set the controller to, which is really neat. Imagine having able to pop up your headlights, and when you turn it on, you can actually just have Sleepy Eye settings with a flip of the switch. With this ORIGIN WERKS headlight for the Sleepy Eye kit, you only have the two LEDs right on top, because when you set your headlight to the Sleepy Eye position, it would stop right here. And the only thing you're gonna need are these two. And I know these are gonna be bright. Once you've installed the headlight, the next step will be plugging up your controller into plugs for headlight motor, which is these two white plugs here. These are the plugs I've disconnected, so that way I could set the height for the headlight assembly. So what you want to do is to go ahead and plug these up. They should fit because they are OEM plugs. This is what's going to bypass, so that way you can go ahead and control it. It is already programmed like how high the retractor is going to be. Clear up these plugs here. Just gonna have to match them up. Alright. That one already clicked. And this one, you plug it up. That one clicked too. You guys will look at it. You're plugged up that way. Alright, it's set at 0.32 P1 OP. I'm gonna go ahead and set this. Let's hold it for 4 seconds. There you go. You want to add 0.30. And hold it 4 seconds. There you go. So once you've done installing everything, you can go ahead and turn on your headlights. Alright, and you're gonna see this controller light up. It should say 0.30. Those number is like how much the headlight will raise up, and I think this is actually perfect where it is. I like how aggressive it looks. I could even do that with the old ones I have, because if I lower the headlight to that height, I won't be able to have that much light on the ground because it's not made for it. But this is actually perfect because you can see where the placement of the LED lights are right on top. And that's all I need. Alright, so there you have it. The installation for the Sleepy Headlight Kit is very simple and pretty straightforward. You can even mess it up. I do think that my car looks way more aggressive now, more than ever, and I love the way how it looks in my car, especially when I can finally control when I can use my Sleepy Eye settings. I can put it down back to how it was, or I can use the Sleepy Eye setting. Just to have that option is actually convenient. So I definitely cannot wait to bring my car out to like car meets or drift events again, especially during nighttime. And it gets darker way sooner now, which means I can finally show off my new Sleepy Eye look. And this wouldn't even be possible if it wasn't for Origin Works and Fast ATL Club for sending me a kit so I can do a review on it. So thank you so much again. And I do recommend getting these Sleepy Eye headlight kit for your 1st gen, 2nd gen, and 3rd gen RX7s. And again, I'll go ahead and put their link in the description down below so you guys can check out their website and give them a follow. But that's it for this video, and make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.